This cheer mom shirt made over 2,000 sales on Etsy, and there are multiple sport mom shirts that are selling extremely well. And in today's video, I want to share with you how to take a popular design like this and infuse this over into some sleeve designs, as well as utilizing some AI tools to help us create and design these products. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'll share with you a very easy AI prompt you can use to create similar type style designs that we can start creating and selling on our Etsy shop. I want to share this all with you coming up next. All right, so when we're talking about getting into the sport niche, we can create things for sport moms, sports grandmas, or whatever the case may be here. But this is definitely a huge opportunity, right, for you to make sales here, because sports are played all year round. We can get into the softball season, the baseball season, football season, like just so many different sports to get into and so many different niches to tap into. But as you can see here, the sport mom category in itself is doing extremely well. And there's a couple of shirts that we can see that's doing well with the baseball shirts here. We can see some popular nows and bestsellers. We can even go into the basketball niche here. Again, a lot of popular nows and bestsellers since we're in that basketball season. And we can even go to cheer mom here. As you can see, there's a lot of popular nouns and best-selling products. So definitely incorporating the sport niche into your whole lineup of products, I think, honestly, is a great space for you to create products, especially knowing that sports are played all throughout the year. And as I stated before, this product here has sold 3 times in the last 24 hours. Again, it's been around for 27 months, just over a year, but even in that time, it's been selling extremely well, right? 89 sales in the past 30 days here. We can see in a lifetime of listing that sold 2,425 times. And one of the things that we also understand is that when we find these best-selling products, we want to go a step further and offer something that may not be visible here, or take what this design is and bring us over to a different niche. One area that we're definitely going to explore is that personalization on these sweatshirts that have the personalization on the sleeve of the shirt. I think we can do something with this design here, but again, adding more value to this, especially going into other areas. But as you can see, there's a lot of opportunities to create custom type of sweatshirts. Putting in that personalization on the sleeve is always going to be a winner, in my opinion. So being that we have all these examples in front of us, the goal here is not to copy, but to look over multiple products and to find out, what are some areas that are doing well. Obviously, we see the name of the sport on the design itself. Again, we see some type of design reflecting that sport. And that's exactly what we want to take, because again, we always want to learn from data to see what is selling well, and then infuse that into our own unique designs and bringing out some more value points here. So with that being said, we're going to jump over into our design software, create this type of mom sweatshirt, and then upload this to Printify so we can start selling this on our Etsy shop. Now, what's going to make this entire business possible is utilizing Printify. This is a major place to use if you want to sell physical products without necessarily keeping inventory in your home. Printify has a seamless connection with Etsy. That means anytime you get an order, it'll show up on Printify's side, and then they'll take care of the printing and shipping out for you. And when we're talking about creating these type of sweatshirts that have the sleeve design on it, Printify does that as well. As you can see, Swift POD, it does offer the sleeve print on the sweatshirt, and that is going to allow us to make these type of designs that we see are selling extremely well on Etsy. Now, if you want to get started with Printify on your own, they were so kind to give my audience a discount code to utilize the Printify premium version. As you can see, you're able to get a major discount on products sold. Again, the standard price here is $17.62, but with Printify premium, you're able to get it at a little bit of a discount here. So again, if you want to check out all this, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below, even for you to just get signed up for free and still have access to all of these products. Again, I make sure I leave all the details in my description box below for you to see what is best for your on-demand business. All right, so here we are in Google Trends, and we're just doing a quick search on basketball season. And the reason why we want to do this is that before we create any type of sport design, we definitely want to make sure that we understand the interest and where's the overall peak. And that's one thing about selling sport designs or sport products just in general, is that it'll have this interest all throughout the year, because again, sports are played obviously the peak seasons, but also throughout the entire year, either for practice or just for people representing their team, just in general. So there's a lot of opportunities here in regards to that. So we do see, however, that the peak interest starts around January, coming up to February, with the peak interest is around March. So again, as you can see, it still has a growing interest throughout the entire year, but definitely has its peaks. Just make sure you understand the overall flow of interest when you are creating your designs for a particular sport. Now, when we are also creating things for sports, it's important to note that we should necessarily create designs for a professional sport team that could be trademark infringed. So we definitely want to make sure that before we design products as well, we make sure that we're in the clear for whatever names we want to use, and especially stay away from professional sports teams. I like to just focus on the overall sport itself and then place that personalization there. That is always the easy way just to be in the clear of any trademark. And this is exactly the type of product we are going to create today. So we're going to jump into Kittl to be our space where we create our product here. And I want to head over to new project, and I want to select this as a t-shirt design. That's what we're going to create, obviously for a sweatshirt, but still the same size here. And I'll hit create. And the reason why I want to go in here because Kittl has a great space for AI designs, and we're definitely going to bring in some unique styles when we're talking about creating things for a basketball mom. And so we're definitely going to add in some AI tools here to our designs and definitely build this out a little bit more to sell on our product. All right, so as we're here at Kittl, we're definitely going to put in a prompt for us to get a type of basketball design. And we're going to definitely bring in some of those popular things that we found with the bow here. We can see this being done here with this particular design here, which I think could be great for us to incorporate more so of a basketball style with the bow. So with that being said, we're going to head over to Kittl again, put in our prompt here. And I'll make sure I share this specific prompt down below, along with other prompts that is associated with my membership if you do want to get access to that. So here's the prompt that we're going to put in, and we're going to set this to be watercolor and just hit generate and see what we get as a result. All right, so here is the design that we have here, which I think is going to be great when we are designing our product. And again, we're going to add in some type of text here as well as some personalization on the sleeve of the design here. But I think this is a great place to start when we are creating our design for a basketball mom. I think this is the overall font style we're definitely going to use here for just the basketball mom. So we're going to click this here. And I have this open up in a new project here. And I just simply want to copy this text and then apply it to our other canvas where we have our AI design. And I think having these two here is a great place for us to start because, again, we're going to utilize some of this text as well on the sleeve of our design. So I think everything is great here. Now, one thing to note is that when we are creating this as a main design here for our AI image, we definitely want to make sure that we remove the background because, as you can see here, the background is still a part of the image. If I were to go and move this over here, I'll make this in front of the image. We can still see the block behind our AI design. So easy way to remove that is just simply head over to AI background remover. And now we're going to remove the background from our design. So it can be utilized as a PNG item that can be over our design or over our text or wherever we want it to be. All right, so here are the examples of the designs that we created. Again, we just made a simple one here just with this particular bow with it saying basketball. Then we added in more of that text we found earlier to this design here, which I think this came out extremely well, but with a different style of basketball here. And again, we added in this third one here, which I think this will be the one that we go with because it's bringing in that popular style of bow, that watercolor style that we have here. It's bringing in that basketball mama, which I think will be perfect for our design. As you can see here, there's a lot of opportunities you can do when you are bringing in these AI designs, but I think this speeds up our entire design process and allow us to really compete with some of the top shops on Etsy. So I think we're gonna go with this one here. And now we're gonna add in a design area for our sleeve personalized item here. And then we're gonna add in this bow to that as well. So when we are thinking about creating that sleeve design for our product here, it's always good to go to Printify just to make sure you have the proper space for that print area. So we head over to catalog here, we head over to women's, and we head over to sweatshirts. We're going to pick the Gildan 18 series on Etsy. We're going to choose manually here, and then we're going to go down and see what particular print providers are offering the sleeve print design. In our case today, we're going to go with Swift POD, as we can see here, and do offer the left and right sleeve to be printed on. So this is the one that we're definitely going to use for our design here. And I also like utilizing this here because they have large sizes to their products, which again, that's an overall style in itself. They have the overall large sweatshirt designs, which this particular provider offers. We see again the pricing, the shipping, the average production time, and the colors here. If everything is good with our design, we'll go ahead and click start designing. And again, it's going to give us by default just the overall space for our sweatshirt design. But one of the areas that we definitely want to have is the right sleeve printed, and this is the space that we're going to add to our Kittl project. Now, with that being said, we got to go over to get the proper size so that we can plug that manually over into Kittl. And the easy way to do that is to go to this top left portion here, click the letter I, and you can scroll down and you'll see the print size specifically for this sleeve design here. So it's 1180 by 4724, and that is the design space we want to add to our Kittl project. So now we're back in Kittl. We're going to head over to this area here where we are able to outline the print size that we have. And again, it doesn't really matter where we have it right now. We can kind of eyeball it where it is, but we can always go in here and actually change the dimensions here on the right hand side. So that being said, we definitely want to plug in those dimensions there, which we found from Printify. It is 1181, and that is by 4724. And now that is the proper print size for our sleeve design, and we're going to add this to our Printify product. All right, so now that we have the proper dimensions in place, let's jump back into Kittl to create that personalized space for our sweatshirt design. So we just want to grab over this design here because we're definitely going to add this to our sleeve design. So we're just going to simply copy this, and then we're going to paste this, and then we're going to drag this over into our area here. Now, to be mindful that we don't want to necessarily have the overall, space filled out, because this literally goes from the top of the sweatshirt sleeve all the way down to the bottom. So we don't want this to be covered over the entire space. All right, here's the final design that we have. And remember, this is going to be a placement holder, right? When we do get an order from a customer, the name is going to change. Might be more than one name that you have here. So this is going to be a placeholder, but I think that came out extremely well. And remember, the entire space is for the entire sleeve of the design, and we don't necessarily want this to be covered. And so we definitely want to be mindful of that when we see this over in Printify. They're just going to cover over this half portion here. Now, there is another style to design as well. When we're doing this, we can always have this name be rotated the long way here, which we can extend this out a little bit more if you wanted to. That is another option. And so just be mindful of that. But I think everything came out good here. And I think this is a great product for us to upload and start selling on our Etsy shop. So with everything being said here, we're going to go ahead and click download. We're going to remove the background here. Again, we're going to download the two artboards here, which is our main design for the front of our sweatshirts and the sleeve design here. And we have all artboards selected. It's set to PNG. We're going to optimize the quality, and now we're going to upload this to our Printify design. All right, so now that we're back in Printify, we can go ahead and drag over our main design here, which is going to be the front of our sweatshirt that we have. And again, everything is going to be laid up here, highest quality. And here we have our design, and I think that came out extremely well here. Again, we see the DPI setting is high, so it's perfect. But now we're going to go here and upload our sleeve design that we created. So I like to print on the right sleeve of our design, which I have that here. And I will simply drag and drop our design over into our space. And now we have our sleeve design here. Again, I can zoom in a little bit more. You can see that came out perfect. And again, we still have that same high quality for this particular print for our design. So I think that came out extremely well. So again, here's the front of our design here. Again, saying basketball mama, which we have the basketball bows all around. And then we have that same consistency with our text and our design here, where we have that personalization on the sleeve of our design. So if we do want to see how this looks, we can head over to Printify preview, where we are able to see our design here, which again, that came out extremely well. We can see the design here. That's why I'm always a huge fan of going further into Etsy and finding high quality mockups to use, because we definitely want to showcase just not the front of our design, but also the sleeve of our design as well. And I share with you an easy way to do that when we hop over into our mockup software. But again, I think everything is looking well here. And now we can just simply create our mockup and list this on Etsy to start selling on our Etsy shop. All right, and here is the final mockup we have for our design, which I think that came out extremely well here. Again, we grabbed this mockup over from Etsy that we just plugged into Kittl and just utilized those designs that we saved in the mockup here. And this is what I mean by having the front of our design in place that's going to be extremely well to sell. And then we have our sleeve design here that came out extremely well. And I think everything looks good here. Now we can move down the opacity if you want, just to make this blend in a little bit further. But I think everything is great for us to download, and then we can upload this to our listing just to showcase our product a little bit better than the Printify mockups. So as you can see, creating these type of sport mom sweatshirts could be a great way for you to expand your business on Etsy, especially when you find those peak seasons for these sports that are being played. Now, if you're new to selling anything online with Etsy, you're not sure how to get sales yourself, I have created a step-by-step guide that will share with you every single step I took to help me make consistent sales online with Etsy. It is my super simple guide to Etsy sales. If you want to grab this guide that is filled with over 20 pages and 4 exclusive videos and 1 hour training of how to create a best-selling product yourself. Again, if you want to get access to that, simply put in the comment section below the word sales, and I'll be happy to send that over to you. And check out this next video here where I share with you another top product you can start selling on Etsy, and subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to make money online. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.